Hello and welcome back to Web2App, and in today's video I will show you how to fix internet disconnecting and connecting issues. So if your internet connection keeps dropping, here are the few simple things you can try. So the first thing is to restart your router or your device. Next, turn your Wi-Fi off and on again and reconnect to your network. I disconnected my Wi-Fi and again reconnected it. Also, you need to make sure that you are within range of your Wi-Fi signal. You can also check your network settings and forget the network and then reconnect again. To do so, open the Wi-Fi icon and click on your Wi-Fi and click on the properties icon from where you can make more changes such as reconnecting or forgetting your. If this issue still continues, try updating your system or network devices, and like this you can fix the problem of your Wi-Fi connecting and disconnecting. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tutorials.